Hey guys, just a quick reminder before the video starts, I am giving away a smart body scale, link in the description down below. Also in the description below, I've linked to my favorite robot vacuums. I am a participant in the Amazon affiliate marketing, so anything you guys purchase helps out the channel just a little bit. Thank you everyone for all your support and continuing to watch my videos. If you like the videos, please hit that thumbs up button. If you dislike it, please dislike the video. Please make sure you subscribe. Now on to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different with the Proscenic M7 Pro. I got some pinto beans here. What we're going to do is we're going to see how well it picks these up compared to dog food, and if it can empty it out without any issues or getting stuck in the bin. So here's some pinto beans that I got. There's probably, I don't know, less than a cup of them. I'm just going to put down on the floor here. Just to show you guys that I do have the dustbin removed, and it is cleaned. It's just kind of dirty from being ran in the house. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for this test I put down some pinto beans inside the kitchen here, just kind of spread them around. And then I put some more over in the hallway here, just kind of spread them around just to see how well it does in a larger area. So here's what's left over after the Proscenic M7 Pro just went through the kitchen here with those pinto beans. As you can see, it did pretty decent. I'm not seeing any underneath the cabinets really. Just a couple pieces left. Most of these pieces are from the side brush, kind of flinging them around. So all in all, I think it did very well. Alright, so it just finished cleaning up in the kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and show you the dustbin before it empties itself so you kind of get an idea of how many are in there. This is what's in the dustbin now. Just a warning, it's going to get loud in the next clip, just because it's going to be emptying itself. Alright, now that it finished emptying itself, let's take a look at the bin and see how much is left over. As you can see, it's still left quite a bit in there. It's probably going to take a couple more times for it to fully empty. So I'm going to manually empty the bin just so I can move on to the hallway for you guys. Alright, I emptied out the dustbin, so let's go ahead and get started in the hallway. Let me know what you think about this video. If you want to see more challenges like this, leave a comment down below. Alright, so here's what's left over after the Proscenic M7 finished in the hallway. As you can see, left a few pieces. A couple over here. Overall, it did pretty well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright, so here's what it all picked up out in the hallway there. So we'll go ahead and let this thing auto empty and we'll compare the dustbin afterwards. Just a warning, in the next clip it's going to get loud due to the auto empty, so if you have headphones on, make sure you turn down your volume. Alright, so as it finishes returning to the dock here, thank you guys so much for watching and all your support. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dustbin and see how much it sucked out after its first auto empty cycle. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of debris left in the dustbin. I'll have to have it auto empty a couple more times just so everything gets out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.